In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome background image. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new blank tab. You can do that by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser, or by opening a fresh new tab page the way you normally would. When the blank tab is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. You should see the Customize Chrome button. In some versions of Chrome, this may appear as a small pencil icon instead of a button with text, but it serves the same purpose. Click that option to open the customization panel. After the side panel appears, look for the section labeled Background. Click on Background to view the available background settings for your new tab page. To remove the current background image, select either Classic Chrome or No Background, depending on what appears in your version of Chrome. Choosing Classic Chrome will return the page to the standard default Chrome appearance. Once you make your selection, Chrome should apply the change right away. If you do not see the update immediately, give it a moment or open another new tab to confirm that the background image has been removed. That covers everything you need to know.